study. So I repeated that. This is a general form to research and not a specific option to find your relevant topic. But now I want to talk about so important tools to search for relevant topics. I have some delays. I don't know why. Now it's okay. So, the way number 6, I want to talk about search in Google Scholar. This is a search engine for researchers, research for keywords and phrases to find related research published in different years. Don't forget that you, as a researcher, not difference that you are a bachelor student, you master student, or you are a PhD student. This is your important tools uh, throughout your career, your academic career. This is very useful. This is I can't say any word about that. This is very useful tool to use for any researcher all around the world. So now we want to talk about and we want to see how to use Google Scholar in our academic researches. Okay, any question? If any question, please ask, but if not, let me share my desktop to go to Google Scholar and see what's going on. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me close these windows. Now I want to search for Google Scholar. So I enter. Here you can see that the website name scholar.google.com. So I click on this link, and this is uh, the website of Google Scholar database. Here you can see that it is very similar to a Google search engine, but here we have two options: articles and case law. You as an engineer student, we don't need to deal with this case, but here this is our desired option to find articles, ebooks, and other papers. But here in this screen, you can see a sentence: stand on the shoulders of giants. So this is quoted by Isaac Newton. Let me search for it. I copy this phrase here and I search for it. Let's go to the images. Okay, so this is a famous quoted by Isaac Newton. It said that if I have sinned further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. This is so important. We are, as new researchers, should rely on our ancestors and older researchers and study their fields of study and works and researchers. So the older researchers and our ancestors in science, he called giants. So we should go to the shoulders of giants to see further in the science. This is a very famous quotation by Isaac Newton. And here in Google Scholar, you can see that it writes this famous sentence. Okay, any problem? dear students, please type in English so I can understand. Okay, so this is the root for this sentence here. Oh, thank you, dear Majid. Thank you so much. So, خب پس بنابراین ما از موتور جستجوی گوگل اسکولار استفاده میکنیم برای پیدا کردن یه سری منابع و این جمله هم یعنی ایستادن بر روی شانه های غول‌ها تمام دانشمندان و محققین قدیمی که کلی وقتشون رو گذاشتن و ما میتونیم از نتایج اون ریسرچ ها استفاده بکنیم تا بتونیم کار خودمون رو و پژوهش خودمون رو انجام بدیم. Okay, so here we can search for specific keywords here. For example, here I can use keyword number 1. It's in double quotation. You can use another keyword. For example, keyword number 2 in the double quotation, and so on. For example, here I want to type, for example, I want to search for deep learning. Here is my first interest. And for example, suppose that according to my field of study, I want to search for robots. So here I want to find some references that defines by these two keywords, deep learning and robots. Okay, any question? Do you understand how to research? And if you have another keyword, you can add to this list. Okay, thank you. So just click on this button, push this button. Here you can see many references that find via Google Scholar here. Deep learning and robots, for example. Here you can see this is a title. This is a title of a research. This is the names of authors. This is the name of the journal or conference. Name of journal or conference. This is the year of publication. Okay, so another